Market daily visualization for August 12th, 2026. We'll start with adjusting the price slightly higher. The high of the day rose just a little bit. Or let's move the range first. Sorry. There we go. Now the high of the day rose a little bit. The low of the day was higher. That's a positive sign. The 5-day look back is adjusted. The 5-day high joins the 1-day high. The 5-day low remains in place. The 10-period look back. The 10-period regression line. The 10-period low doesn't change. It'll change tomorrow. The two PSARs, the 30 and the 10. Let's see, the 30-day look back. 30-day low doesn't change. 30-day high doesn't change. See, the 30-period SMA extension diminishes just slightly. The 20-period regression line lagged by 10, and the 120-day regression lagged by 30, and the 150-day range. And so there we are. That's our look. Still really tight, failure to fail. It wants to gap up and go, but it has a lid on it still. If it breaks that 778, look out above. But this is a crucial intersection right here with the RL10 has rolled over and is touching the SMA 10, or the moving 10 has hit the straight line 10. That's a critical state. We're still a good ways away from the 30 SMA. So this is it's hard to believe it's going to stay in that tight range. So we'll be ready for the breakout. And we will follow price whichever way it breaks out of there. Starting with the intraday trade and then moving to swing trades if the close is favorable.